Okay, viewers, today we are going to be touring this five-bedroom, fully detached home priced at 550 million naira. Now, with everything going on in the Nigerian real estate market, oh, it's too overpriced, it's not this, it's not worth it. I will let you be the judge of this amazing house, allow you judge if the amount is worth 550 million naira. Now, before I flip my camera and give you a detailed tour of this property, if you're new to my channel, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and turn on your notifications so you are the first to see further housing tours and investment opportunities in Nigeria. With that said, let's take a quick tour. Okay, as usual, this is the ambience of this house. So let's go inside. So the home comes with this greeneries, and this car park can take up to 4 or 5 cars, depending on the size of your car. So there are two units here. We'll be taking a look at this one, but let me quickly show you this too. So we have it's a fully detached. So this backyard leads you to the boys' quarters and the swimming pool. So as usual, you're welcomed by this signatory gigantic door. Then by my left, remember it's 5 bedroom, so we'll have one room down here. We'll have one room down here. So this is the visitors restroom. The visitors restroom, and this is the primary living area. So let me go this way so you can see it from this other angle. So that's like a wine bar for you to store your wine. And you have this TV console that flows just from down to up. Okay, so let's go. This is where you have, so we have two kitchen here. So this is not really, uh, so you have this here, you have your oven, you have your microwave, and you also have compartments here. So this is like the dry area, while this is the wet area. So this is the kitchen. Let me know what you think. Remember, I said I will allow you guys be the judge of this 530 million naira home. Okay, so it comes with a double door fridge, right? It also has an oven um, and a microwave. Okay, so there's also a washing machine. So let me give you another view from here. So let me know what you think. We're going upstairs right now. Let me give you a view of the sitting area from here also. Okay, let's go upstairs. So this is the secondary living area. Secondary living area. So what do you think? So let's look at the rooms here. We have 4 rooms upstairs. So let's see this one here first. So each room comes with a TV console. Okay. And this is the bathroom for this unit. Then we have this one here. So each room comes with a TV console. Have your bathroom here. Okay, let's go to the next room before we go to the masters. Well, honest review, the rooms are not very wide, right? But it can serve its purpose. But also let me know what you think. So this is the bathroom for this unit. Okay, so let's go to the masters. But let me give you this view just before we go to the masters. Okay. So this is the masters. Of course, the masters is always wide. It's always bigger than the rest. So this is the masters. Let's go this way. Okay. So what do you think? So this is the walk-in closet. So from here, you have access to the bathroom. So let me know what do you think about this tile? I think that this is the first time I'm seeing these tiles in this particular, since I started my housing tour. It's always the usual white, white, white. But I think I love this wall tiles. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so that's your walk-in shower. You have your bathtub here, have your toilet seat here, and yep. So let me know what you think. Another view just before I show you the balcony. Of course, you have your dress table here. I mean, for the ladies, so this can be like your makeup stand. Okay, let's take a look at the balcony, and we are done with this housing tour while I await your feedback. So this is it flows all the way down there, and you still have this opening here. Okay, so this is your environment. This is located in Orchid Road. So let me know what you think. And yeah, so if you love this home, let me know. If you want to make this your home, let me know. It's actually a very solid house. I mean, I tour a lot of houses, so when I tell you something is solid, it's solid. So aside the price, I don't know what else would make you not want to make this your home in 2026. So do let me know. Every other details will be in the price, in the description box. So do well to go through them and get back to me. My name is Joanne. See you on the next talk.